Hi everyone, and welcome back to Snack with Mary series. So, I was lucky enough to score one of the limited Valentine edition candy Kraft dinner. I have to say that I never tried any Kraft dinner before, so I'm very excited to give it a try. I'm going to cook one box of Kraft dinner following the instructions on the box. So we have to bring 6 cups of water to boil. Add the pasta and cook 7 to 8 minutes. When pasta is done, drain. We're going to need 1 tablespoon of butter, 3/4 cups of milk, and the cheese sauce mix. Stir all together, add the candy flavor, and mix again until incorporated. And now the most exciting part, it's time to put it to test. It's something definitely unusual for us.
And here it is.
Do you like it?
Are you sure?
Do you want more?
I got one.
It has a very strong flavor of cheese and just a light flavor of candy. It's not too sweet, but I personally wouldn't buy it again. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Wish you all a happy Valentine's Day and a happy family day. Cheers!